afternoon guys, my name is Lainey and welcome to my channel. As it is summertime here in the UK and we are having some beautiful weather, I've decided to share a fruitier recipe with you guys. Yes, if you follow me on Instagram, you've been waiting for this recipe. It is my lemon drizzle protein slice. Let's get started. What you're going to need is a mixing bowl, a weighing scales, spatula, teaspoon. I'm using these two little cake tins because I just find that this gives me the perfect slice, but you could use a brownie tin. For your wet ingredients, you are going to need some liquid egg whites. I picked these up from MUSCLEFOOD. Some high protein, 0% fat yogurt. I get this from Asda. You can pick it up in any supermarket. Some tinned pumpkin. A lot of you guys find it difficult to find the tinned pumpkin. You can get it in Tesco, Sainsbury's, and also it is available on Amazon. If you cannot get your hands on tinned pumpkin, you can simply use mashed sweet potato, bananas, or unsweetened applesauce. You will have to adjust the macros if you use any of these other items. As it is a lemon drizzle cake, I'm going to be adding in a little bit of this lemon extract. You can pick this up in any supermarket. For your dry ingredients, I'm using this lemon drizzle cake protein from PhD. If you cannot get your hands on a lemon flavored protein powder, simply just use a vanilla and just add a little bit more lemon extract depending on your palate. I'm using coconut flour. I picked this up from MUSCLEFOOD, but most supermarkets now stock coconut flour. Poppy seeds, because you can't have lemon cake without some poppy seeds in there. Lemon zest. Now I'm being super lazy and I picked these up from the supermarket. They are Dr. Oetker sachets of ready lemon zest. Each sachet equates to the zest of 1 lemon. I am using 2 today. Your raising agents, baking powder and bicarbonate of soda. Then for the icing on top, I have this sugar-free icing sugar from Sukrin. I will provide a link for Sukrin in the description box below. And to that I am adding the juice of half a lemon. You can also just buy store-bought lemon juice. And on top I will simply decorate with some fresh zest of the same lemon. Let's get started. So here you have it guys, my delicious zesty lemon poppy seed drizzle cake. Light and fruity, perfect for those summer evenings. All the ingredients and directions will be listed in the description box below. Links to MUSCLEFOOD and Sukrin are also listed down below. If you liked the video, please give it the thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this recipe and are looking for more healthy recipes, make sure to subscribe and hit those notification buttons guys so that you see when I post a new recipe video. See you next time.
My milkshake brings all